can see the unbelievable thing that is currently happening in the crypto market, despite we are in the 2025 bull run. But this particular year bull run is actually different from the last one. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you could stay afloat, or how you could prevent yourself from having heartache seeing your portfolio going down. So I'll be sharing 5 things you just need to do in your portfolio so that you will not get in shit during this particular market that we are seeing that looks like a bear market. So before I share with you, if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, please likely subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload another video. So as you can see, currently with everything everybody have been saying, the gurus influencer, you could see Bitcoin sitting at 80,000 plus, Ethereum sitting at drops to less than 2,000. And we could see, in fact, Solana, that some point was around 290 now, currently is around 123. And anybody that bought at around that place, they are in deep loss currently. So let me quickly share with you things that you could do to prevent all this particular thing. Maybe it's applicable during the bear time or anything, so that you could stay afloat and be safeguarded during this particular time. So the first thing you need to do is, so the first thing I would advise to you is that to avoid panic selling. So you have holding good utility coin like the BTC, Solana. Please don't just panic and sell. You know, cryptocurrency is a volatile coin, that meaning it can go up and it can come down. You could see Bitcoin actually drops to a all-time low at 76 now, and currently now you could see the all-time high is 84 now. And as at this year, Bitcoin has actually gone to 104 and above, and currently now you could see that Bitcoin now is currently sitting at 80,000. Let's say for example somebody who bought at this 84 at the all-time high, and when it gets to 76, when it was low and he was scared and he just sold off. Now see, Bitcoin is back to 80,000. So the first thing you need to do is to avoid panic selling. And the second one I'm going to share with you is almost similar to for you avoiding panic selling. So you just have to always stick to your trading plan. And the second one is to use the formula, this cryptocurrency trading formula, which is called DCA. DCA stands for dollar cost average. So I'll be using BTC for this particular example also. Let's say for example we bought BTC, the other all-time high. Let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the chart again. Let's say we bought BTC. Let me go back to the chart. Let's say for example we bought BTC as at when it came down to at the all-time high at 84, and when it drops and when it comes to 50, when it comes to 76, instead of selling like the first person I showed you, you bought again. You bought at 76, and now it is now at 80. That is what we call dollars cost average. As the crypto coin you bought, as the more it continue to dip, let's say you can set your strategy as, okay, if it goes down, maybe let me say I'm using $100 to trade. I can decide to use 50% of that particular amount to buy. It may not be BTC because BTC is way high. Let's say I'm trying it with some other coin. Okay, let's say XRP. We could see that XRP, let me use this particular one. Let's say XRP comes down. I bought it at 2.2, and after 2.2, it now dipped to 1.8. You know, I bought with $50. Now, I could now take out 30% of my trading capital. Let's say I picked at $30 again, and I use it to buy at 1.8. Currently now, XRP is back to 2.1. Do you see that? I'm currently at a profit. So that is what we call dollar cross average. Let's say you have 200, 500, $1,000 for trading. Don't just use all to trade or to buy coin that you want to buy at that particular time. You can decide to split that particular amount into three. You use the larger part, the 50%, to buy at first. Let's say the coin now dips, maybe by 50%. You can decide to wait when it dips by 70%. Then you use about 30% of your portfolio capital again to buy. Let's say it continue to dip and dip further again. You can now. So when the crypto is now recovering, before you know, before you even get to 100%, you must have made huge amount of money. So this is what we call dollars cost average. Let me tell you another method again. So another thing, which is the third one you need to do, is to always set stop loss. Let me use BTC again as an example. Let's say, for example, we bought BTC at this particular price at $84,000. Let's say we are thinking that the price will increase, but we are not the one controlling the market. Let's now say after we bought, we are going offline. We can just put it that if BTC, I don't know, it depends on your risk tolerant and the amount you are thinking that you can lose. For example, let's say if BTC can just dip by 2%, that I want to sell. Let's say now I bought at 84,000 already. Okay, let me say at maybe even 1%. I can say if BTC can dump to 81,000 naira, you have to be on sale. That when BTC drops to 81,000 naira, that I should sell, and I just tap on this sell. It will not sell when I bought at that 84, but immediately the price drops to 81, it will just sell off by himself. So as a crypto trader, you have to use this particular stop loss. So depending on the amount that you are risking to buy, and when you set stop loss, you can also set up to anytime you want it to buy. So if Bitcoin now drop to that particular aspect, it will now, let's say now, for a still example, let's say I bought my BTC at this particular price now, at this particular range at 80,000 naira now. So I don't know if the price will still dump further. And then I say, if it can dump to $79,000, I'm selling, that I should sell off. So immediately the price gets to 79, they sell off. So it will say, let me just, this video is already getting long. If this was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and tell me more. So I will tell you some other crypto portfolio strategies that you can use in this particular, as at this time that the crypto market is going down. Thank you.